Alright folks, we're back up here in the Uintas again. It is Sunday, it's about 6:30 in the morning, about 40 degrees here, so it's a little chilly, and we're about to hit a new spot never been to before, Whiskey Creek Trail, and we're going up to delicious Bourbon Lake. It's a little bit more isolated right here by Sulphur campground, and it sounds like you just hike. It's pretty straight up, it's about a mile and a half along the creek to kind of a more isolated lake, so should be a good one. We made it up to Bourbon Lake, full of bourbon. There's a stunning mountain behind me, and there's fish rising all over the place. Seen some pictures that I think it's brookies in here mainly. They're kind of swimming like tigers, so we'll see. Gonna use the same fly I did last weekend, kind of like a little blue-winged olive. And yeah, it looks like it should be really good fishing, so we're gonna hit this for a bit. Here we go. Alright, we got the first one on of the day. Absolutely smacked it jumping out of the water. We got some weeds on it. Let's see here. That's a pretty fish. Tiny little brookie. Alright, so what I'm doing is there's these couple of logs in here. And just chucking the dry out down in the middle. And they're flying up, just Free Willy style, smacking it. And they are just flying out of the water. Ooh, mama. They are hitting it hard. That is a beautiful fish. All right, third one on. Hitting it all in the same spot. Little pretty brookie again. Switched up to this little just white mosquito. All right, so I think I got 5 or 6 here in the first hour or so. A lot of them are eating it back. There's this big log, and they're just sitting down, but they're jumping up it super aggressive. They're pretty small brookies, but they are really pretty. Kind of what to be expected, I guess. This is a pretty shallow lake. I guess it doesn't get any more than 10 feet deep in the middle. Kind of a muddy, silty, weedy type bed of the lake. But yeah, beautiful fish. We'll keep fishing here for another hour or two and see what we can do. People, we're gonna call it a day. It's about 10:30. Been fishing for 3 hours. We caught probably a dozen brookies, all little brookies, probably none over 7-8 inches, but they were really nice, high alpine colors, natural fish. In the morning they were just rising like crazy, so don't snooze your alarm. Make sure to get up here at sunrise. They were just absolutely just hopping out of the water and smacking it midair. So that was fun, but then yeah, it kind of died down. We picked up a little, could see a tiny bit of chop and caught enough fish, got stuff to do. So gonna head back. Great day at Bourbon Lake. Glad I came up here. Definitely recommend it.